This is Shay from South African Community Food Bank. We're currently here outside RK Khan's hospital in Chatsworth. We are currently giving out free water, bananas and sweets to everyone that's walking past. As you know that the heat is very terrible outside today, and we've been having a lot of bad weather with the heat for the past few weeks. Also, I'd like to introduce you to Ms. Kara Singh. She's here with me. Ms. Kara, can you please tell us more about yourself?
Okay, I'm actually a nutritionist here based at the RK Khan's Gateway Clinic. We know the importance of water. We advise people every day to drink clean, safe water. And with the incredible inclement weather that we've been having, we are actually distributing water today to all the people, all the patients outside RK Khan's so that they can be sustained. Thank you for allowing us this opportunity to do what we do best.
Thank you so much. We often do these water drives very often, so stay tuned for when our next location will be dropped, where you can come through and get your free water and sweets. Thank you.
Look around and tell me what you see, and then tell me what you see. Look, have a look.
How happy we are to share this day with you all, and hope you'll enjoy the meals. And it's not going to be the last or the first and last that you're going to see us. You'll be seeing us very often in the future, as we have some other stuff that we want to continue handing over to you guys. Anyway, be blessed and thank you.
Greetings, Sister Sam.